Swamiji, on lot of incompletion happening because of not attending Gurukul. So how to make up that if you can do something? Because you make a wrong choice with the partner itself. If you are knowledgeable, then you will not fall in the trap and all that. But how? Any thoughts, Swamiji? Okay, Swamiji. Okay. Okay. Thank you, Swamiji.
Gurukul is the greatest gift you can give for your children. I tell you, till the age of 21, other than living, anything else you dump on the child is no way useful for the child. Come on, let me have a survey. How many of you really use in your life, day-to-day life, what you learnt before 21 in your school, colleges? Raise your hand. Oh, really? Hardly, maybe 5%. Maybe they have woken up between them a question. At least I am not using. Maybe language by mistake. But 90% of it we are not using. Understand, the fundamental definition of education is individualistic and the curriculum is generalized. Why you need to study? The why is all individualistic. What is all generalized? How many of you are understanding this big mismatch? Why you need to study is individualistic. What you are studying is Gurukul basically teaches life. See, that's what actually I'm doing. All I am trying to do in the Gurukul is layers and layers and layers of bliss memory. Life is good. Be involved with it. If I put it in essence, layers and layers and layers of bliss memory. Life is good. That conviction. Life is good to the biomemory level, depth. And hey, get involved with it. Get involved with it. That's all I am trying to do. After that, that is enough. They will make money, make relationships, make children, make profession, make career, everything they will make. But in the regular school, you steal that and give all the so-called skills. There are tons of researchers, all university gold medalists, become such impractical. Their love life does not last long, more than 2-3 years. Divorces. No, they can't settle down in any one job. They become homeless. There's vast percentage of university gold medalists becoming homeless. How many of you have read those research? There are at least 7-8 shocking revelations on researchers. The title of that research itself, that article itself, if you are a university gold medalist, soon you will end up homeless. Because they cannot settle down in a job. That street smartness. See, what is street smartness? You know, Strong belief life is good in your biomemory. Strong belief I'll make it happen in your muscle memory. That is what is street smartness. Schools and colleges steals that away from your child and gives the efficiency. How much ever new revolutionary schools come also, those teachers themselves are not having that as a biomemory or muscle memory. How will they be able to put that into their kids? Understand? Gurukul is the best you can do to your children. Actually, you have two choices. Either don't give birth, be a sannyasi like me. If you give birth, at least make sure they flower like a gods on the planet Earth. They live like a gods on the planet Earth.
Swamiji, the kids, my daughter, she goes in Wharton Business School, one of the top schools. As soon as she enrolled in the school, first I told her that, I want her to enjoy full life. I want her to marry on time. I want to have, become grand. I want to enjoy, her to enjoy the life as full life, not like go in medical and then 10 years to become a doctor and then, another, whatever. As soon as she went in the business school, her mentality has changed. Now she's away from home in dorm. She's already lost a lot of the social things, immediately washed. So if we can, you're always having Sadashivam and all these programs, but get my family here, Swamiji, please, again.
I should tell you, get your family here. Come on.
Swamiji, I even registered them. Please get them. Only you can do it.
Show their photograph. I'll go to their dream and then get them.
Thank you, Swamiji.
Sometimes I'll use these extraordinary powers. Okay.
Thank you, Swami.
Nityardam Swami, Agora side.
Actually, purposely I keep the academic standards of Gurukul low and education standard high. Indian middle class parents always mess up with these two. The academic standard and education standard. Academic standard is repeating the book. Education standard is affirming life positive. Yes.
Swami, regarding the karma, by birth, we are accumulated by karma, and by karma we are facing all the problems. So where does it, length, breadth, depth, or time?
The karmas are recorded. See, time is the paint. Space is the canvas.
Okay, sir.
More repeated actions are carved in depth. Less repeated things are carved in breadth. Very less repeated things are put in the length. So now it is up to you whether your depth should be pure depth or your depth should be patterned depth. Whatever you repeat again and again will become part of your depth.
It means the actions from which, the action...
Action, even thought current.
Thought current. Thank you.
So now, if you feel suffocated by karma, you have repeated something 10,000 times. Now, different programming, repeat it 11,000 times.
Oh. Okay, so then. Swami, and you showed a stick, right? If it is in samadhi, it is out of time. It means what, Swami?
space does not get affected by time because space is subtler than time. But time gets affected by space.
Thank you so much.
Hello,
Tatpursha
Swamiji.
side.
Hello?
Which side?
Tatpursha.
Here, Agora.
Sir, Tatpurusha first.
Nityanandam Swamiji. So I'm wondering about the Western concept of time, which is linear. It's point A, you're alive or you're born, and point B, you're dead. So this concept is in the length and in a very
Actually,
superficial...
it is not at all a concept. It is a utility understanding. See, dollar is different from wealth. Many places, dollar cannot be useful. What you get through dollar only is useful. Same way, the Western concept of time is as shallow as dollar. It is only some utility calculation value. Otherwise, how will you lose 1 hour, gain 1 hour? What a funny thing. Losing 1 hour, gaining 1 hour. A Hindu Panchanga can never understand this losing 1 hour and gaining 1 hour. Understand? Do you know, for us, even day starts with sunrise. I don't know how many of you today observed. I got a little late for the Dvajaroganam. It is supposed to be 6:40 to 7. I told the son, don't come out till I finish the Dvajaroganam. And today, 40 minutes sunrise late. See the Biddi sunrise time today. See, there's a Google thing, there's one website where the sunrise time is supposed to be time and actual time is recorded. Today will be 40 minutes late. You want to see? It was actually only after I came out, finishing the Dvajarohanam, sun was even seen in the east. Not because of cloud. Cloud means he will be seen higher. Got a little late for Dvajarohanam. I said,
Agora side.
I just want... So this concept of time ties into their concept of life and death, right? Whereas our concept of time is more cyclical, and thus we believe in reincarnation.
no,
Is
what I am
that a
saying,
fundamental difference?
do not even connect the Western concept of time to the ideas I am teaching. Better let me use the word Kala, that's all. Let's not even use the word time. That brings a lot of mess. Kala, over. Kala, Akasha. Their ends matter.
Agora side, please. Nityanandam Swamiji. I'd like a little help if I can. Okay, is it better now?
Yes.
Okay, oh great. So my question is just to fill me in a bit here in my understanding so far by how to get to enlightenment. My understanding is that by using cognizing from the dead, deciding I'm enlightened, then believing I'm enlightened, then anything comes up complete with it, acting out of integrity and authenticity, not to accumulate more karma. Same reason for vegetable eating, or
Yes.
come to Sadashivoham and evolve by absorption.
You are right.
of
All the
space.
understandings are right.
Is there anything more like that, just to kind of...
Trying to do more and more of completion
Okay.
with whatever effort you can put, everything else I'll do it.
Thank you.
Hello, Swamiji.
Vamadeva side.
Same.
Vamadeva.
Agora.
Vamadeva first.
Yes, Swamiji, my question is quantum entanglement. Does that include depth, time and
No, actually,
space?
no. Shaktini Pata. Quantum entanglement operates from space.
Only from space. And that,
Because the space is entangled, everything else gets entangled.
So that would be the same as the realm of oneness, correct?
Yes, you are right.
And so
See,
that
actually what I do, I just become one with all of you and tell myself, how you woke up in this body, wake up in all body, that's all.
so it's the entire space of both Saguna and Nirguna, right?
Yes.
So the entirety,
Entire.
oneness. So from that one, the physicist would be able to connect the two, right? So that is the most direct way to
Yes.
connect. And the other
See,
question, okay.
parallel universe is Visishtadvaita. Multiple universe is Dvaita. Oneness and cosmos, the concept of cosmos is Advaita. And pure oneness, infinite number is Shuddhadvaita.
And the Shuddha Advaita is the quantum entangled space.
Yes.
Okay, great.
Shuddhadvaita is the Sadashiva's teachings in Agama. Whatever Sadashiva teaches in Agama, he calls the philosophical part as Shuddhadvaitam, the applying part as Shiva Yoga, and the actions as Kriya.
Swami,
Th-
Agora
Swamiji.
side.
Thank you, Swami.
Agora side,
Agora.
Swamiji.
Agora, go ahead.
Swami, I just wanted to ask, how does form and function affect space? And can it affect space negatively or positively?
Tell me, form,
How does form or function and function affect space? And can
form
it?
and functions. I'm not
How
able
does
to-
the design of something affect space as it interacts through space, either air or space? So is it possible for a design to have a positive or a negative effect on space or on air?
Can you ask precise question? For example,
If a car
here I have put the mandala.
out of my league.
No, here I have put the mandala, a special drawing, and I made all of you to sit. It does have a special impact on your inner space.
Right. What I'm saying is, if a aircraft or a car is going through space and time, so as it goes through space, does it create like energetic chaos, or does it create energetic harmony? And is my understanding
See,
right?
I should tell you, the aircraft, the way it is designed, manifested, if it is from the natural flow, I should say it only creates harmony.
So does badly designed content based on badly designed or badly derived science, does that have a negative effect on the evolution of the planet?
Sure.
So an improvement in design then affects the entire planet for positivity.
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
I should
so much.
accept it. You are right.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Swami.
Because,
Agora.
because
Agora.
listen. Listen. I do see the smoke of petrol carries the pain of dead bodies. Whenever a dead body is burnt who is not enlightened, the smoke carries the pain. I have seen the same many times in the petrol smoke.
Oh, wow.
Because many animals got killed. That only becomes petrol, na? Not all the time, many times I have seen this.